Hey everyone, in this video we are going to draw anime head from the basics, starting with the Loomis method on a realistic human head, then turning it into awesome anime style. So let's get started. Human head. Start with a simple circle, the cranium ball. Add vertical line at center for symmetry, then the horizontal at middle for eyebrow. Divide upper and lower halves into thirds. Again, divide the lower face into thirds. Sides of the human head is more flat, so cut off the sides of circle. The area between the base of the nose to the bottom of the jaw is divided into 3 equal parts. Mouth sits right in the middle of that lower third. From the sides of the circle, draw lines tapering in toward the center. Eye line goes right around the middle of the head. Ears align with eyes to nose. Eyes sit right on or just below the eyebrow line, spaced 1 eye width apart. Nose starts as a simple shape down the center. In lower half, 2 marks that separate those 3 equal parts determine the separation of the lips and the top of the chin. The line of the cheekbone begins at the top of the ear and curves down to the corner of the jaw. Now let's draw the final head on these proportions. Anime head. Start with a circle. Draw a horizontal and vertical line like we did for human head. Now let's make some changes. Divide the lower half of the circle into equal parts and again add another line at equal distance. Divide upper half into thirds. From sides of the circle, bring down 2 lines for the cheeks. Ears sit between the eye line and nose line. Divide lower face into equal parts, middle line for the lips. Eyes are huge. Usually, the width of 1 eye fits between them. Draw the full head using the guides. Here are the final hits. Thank you for watching.